Hey there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and these are my sharllen apple chew sticks that I got for my rabbits, although they are good for a lot of different small animals. And this bag is great because it's huge, it's 500 grams, and these are high quality sticks.
So I started recording as soon as I opened the bag because that is the true test is if my rabbits actually like these sticks. And they are totally a success in our house. Both of my bunnies love them. They take about 20 minutes to basically just get it to this point demolished. They love chewing the bark off of it, but they do actually chew the entire stick. I've had some other sticks and they would only touch the bark and then they would leave the stick. They actually chew all of these sticks. So I'll set them out one day, the next day the stick is totally gone. I highly recommend these because they come with so many sticks and these are really going to wear down your rabbit's teeth, which they need. This little girl in particular had some dental problems because she wasn't chewing hard things and so her teeth were getting a little long. So the vet recommended getting some sticks. I'm so happy with these. They work great, you guys. If you've got rabbits, pick up this big 500-gram bag. These sticks are thick, and they're easy for your rabbits to chew, and they're very fresh. So I am happy with the quality of these as well. Your rabbits are gonna love them.
So if you are looking for some great quality chew sticks for your rabbits, your ferrets, your chinchillas, etc., I highly recommend this 500-gram bag by Sharllen. It's gonna last you a long time, and they are great quality. But that's just my point of view.